Hi, this is Teacher Shane. Welcome back to Shane's Magic Treehouse. How's everyone doing? Hello, everybody. Hi. I am outside. Yeah, I am on the roof recording a video for you guys, for you and you. Yeah. So, guys, I read a story called Don't Wash That Bear. Yeah, that story was awesome because, well, it's about a bear, a teddy bear. There was a boy and a father. The boy did not want to wash his bear because there is a little label that said, "Don't wash the bear." Yeah, but the father said, "No, I'm going to wash the bear." And guess what? The bear came to life. Yeah, the bear made a lot of mess in the boy's home. And guess what? The boy's mother came home and saw the bear. Yeah, so she took the bear and hanged the bear outside. And guess what? The bear turned back to a teddy bear. It was not alive anymore. Yeah, that was a very funny story, right? Yes, it was. So now, guys, Teacher Shane has 4 vocabulary words that I'm going to share with you. Are you guys ready? Say ready. Okay, here we go. So the first vocabulary word is T-shirt. Yeah, let's say it 3 times. T-shirt, T-shirt, T-shirt. Guess what I'm wearing? I am wearing a T-shirt. Do you like to wear T-shirts? Oh, you guys do? Yeah, I like to wear T-shirts in the summertime. All right, guys. The next word is washing machine. Let's say it 3 times. Washing machine, washing machine, washing machine. A washing machine, you can put your clothes inside the machine. Yeah, dirty clothes. And guess what? You press a button, and the machine will spin and wash your clothes. Yeah. I have a washing machine, and I like to wash my clothes every week. Yeah. I have such a good washing machine. It makes my clothes smell so good. Yeah, so good. All right, guys. That is washing machine. The next word is bubbles. Let's say it 3 times. Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles. Do you like to blow bubbles like this? Yeah. If you like to blow bubbles, you can blow lots of bubbles. Yeah. I can blow small bubbles, big bubbles. Yeah, I like to play with bubbles. When I go to the park, I like to blow it everywhere. Bubbles everywhere. All right. The next word is raspberry. Let's say it 3 times. Raspberry, raspberry, raspberry. A raspberry is a fruit. Yeah, it is so good. I like to eat raspberries. It's so delicious. Do you want to eat a raspberry? Oh, I know you guys want to, right? Of course. Okay, guys, great job. We just learned our 4 new vocabulary words. Yeah, you guys did an awesome job. We just learned T-shirt, washing machine, bubbles, and raspberry. Yes, we did. So you guys did an awesome job. So now, guess what? We are going to review the 4 new vocabulary words. Are you guys ready? Okay, here we go. The first word is, yes, t-shirt. Let's say it 3 times. T-shirt, t-shirt, t-shirt. Very good. All right. The next word is, do you remember? You take your clothes, you put it in the machine washes the clothes. Do you remember? Yes, washing machine. Let's say it 3 times. Washing machine, washing machine, washing machine. Okay, the next word is bubbles. That's correct. Let's say it 3 times. Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles. Very good. Okay, the last word is raspberry. Let's say it 3 times. Raspberry, raspberry, raspberry. Great job, amazing. We just reviewed our 4 vocabulary words. Yeah. Awesome. Thank you guys so much for looking at my video. And I hope to see you guys again next time, okay? Bye-bye. Whee!